Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox, take a close-up look and test the Brabantia newIcon pedal bin. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a Brabantia newIcon pedal bin. This one has a 3 litre capacity and it's in the fresh white colour. And taking a look around the box packaging, there are some eco credentials, as well as some features of this Brabantia 3 litre newIcon pedal bin. So it does have a soft closure lid, as well as a 10-year guarantee and removable inner bucket. And here are some of its specifications. And dimensions. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by very carefully cutting apart the clear packing tape that's keeping the box securely sealed. And lifting up the box flap to reveal the contents inside. So that's the Brabantia newIcon pedal bin in the 3 litre capacity. Let's lift it out from its box packaging and setting it on the tabletop and just checking through to make sure nothing else is left in the box packaging. So now that the bin is out, we can set the box packaging to the side. So let's set it on the right hand side of the table and just taking a quick look, and then opening up the clear plastic bag packaging to reveal the Brabantia newIcon pedal bin. So this is a steel pedal bin, and you can see it is powder coated in the fresh white color. And with that clear plastic bag, make sure we recycle or reuse that clear plastic bag thoughtfully and keeping it away from children, pets and babies. And just continuing to remove the rest of the packaging so that you have a nice clear look at this newIcon pedal bin from Brabantia in the smallest 3 litre single compartment size and design. So right there, just giving you various looks at this pedal bin before I start handling it. So it does have that nice flat white finish and some black accents around the functional aspects of the pedal bin. So now taking a close-up look at this 3 litre capacity pedal bin. So it does have a 168mm diameter around its main cylinder or body, and taking a look around the various aspects of this bin. To the underside, as you can see right there, it does have an anti-slip design, as well as a very light and effortless pedal operation. So let's give it a try right there by pressing it down just with my fingers right there, and you can see that the lid does open and close very, very softly right there. And of course, just giving you some idea as to the angle and corresponding opening of that soft closure lid right there. And holding it down, you can see that the lid does indeed stay upright. So right there, with the lid fully open, it does have a 411mm maximum height. So just trying to give you that maximum experience in frame right there. Lid stays up while the pedal stays down, and you're able to control the lid opening depending on, of course, the pressure or holding angle of that foot pedal right there. So okay, taking some close-up looks, of course. There are some items inside, so let's remove the contents from the packaging and setting it down. So it does come with a packet of bin liners. So this is the V model or design to work with that inner bucket, which is removable. Just giving you close-up details at this inner packet of 5 bin liners. The V bin liners for the 3-litre capacity Brabantia newIcon pedal bins. And right there, giving you close-up details and specifications should you need to know exactly which bin liners to purchase to work perfectly for this Brabantia newIcon pedal bin in the 3-litre capacity or design. Okay, so right there, just setting it down so you have both items in clear view of all the contents that come with this Brabantia newIcon pedal bin in the 3-litre design. So now let's continue to take a close-up look. So just shifting the bin liner packet to the side and giving you that close-up look right now, and just shifting that box slightly to the right so we have no distractions to the foreground as we focus on this Brabantia newIcon pedal bin. So you can see how the light plays on that flat or low gloss finish or satin finish, and the details right there with the Brabantia branding or tag, and of course its eco credentials as well as its 10-year guarantee. And just giving you a look at that foot pedal. So very effortless, as you can see, just pressing it down, and the lid does stay up as you hold it down. Okay, so very simple operation, and of course that 10-year guarantee does help to give some assurance as to the durability and longevity of this design. It's right there, taking some close-up looks, and at the back or rear of this bin as well. And the rear lid hinge is fully enclosed, as you can see, so no real exposed areas around the back to keep it nice and clean. So right there, giving you those close-up looks once the camcorder does focus on it. And now just opening the lid, this time just lifting it with my fingers. You can see that there is a tag towards the rear of the lid of the bin to just remind you what size bin liner from Brabantia you should get. It's right there with the V label and 3-litre capacity. And just taking a look directly inside the inner bucket. So this inner bucket is removable. So I'm just going to give you a look. Simply lift it out, and we see again that Brabantia branding throughout with that nice contrasting gloss Brabantia logo and text on the dark grey or charcoal matte inner bucket. So right there you can see recyclable as well. So this inner bucket is made from plastic, whereas the bin itself is made from steel. Okay, so just giving you some close-up details at this inner bucket from the Brabantia newIcon pedal bin in the 3-litre capacity. So just turning it around or rotating it so you have a nice clear look at this design. Nice and hygienic, of course, very easy to remove and wash, and just giving you a look inside as well as best I can. Obviously quite dark inside, but those grooves should line up on the inside as well, so that the bin actually does rotate on the inside, but that's just fine. but you can see that there are little cutouts so that it makes it easy to remove that removable inner bucket. So right there, giving you that look, and then that soft close. You can see how gently that lid closes with no bang at all. And of course you can hear that screech only because that has an anti-slip design, so the bin doesn't slide or move around when you step on the pedal. So right there you can see how gently that pedal stays open or closed, so you can always reopen it even though you've partially released that pedal. Right there, if you have more stuff to chuck in the bin, moving back and forth, right there. So nice and simple with this Brabantia newIcon pedal bin. Now let's open up the packet of bin liners. So here is the V model bin liners, so comes with 5 of them. Let's open it up and see the contents in here. So packet emptied, setting that down and to the side of the frame, and unrolling the bin liners inside. So there are 5 bin liners in here that come included free with this Brabantia newIcon pedal bin. And just to give you a look right there as to the details and specifications. So V, let me open it up fully, and setting the rest down on the tabletop right there. Okay, so right there giving you a nice clear look at the size here of the bin liner or trash bag designed to work with this 3 litre newIcon pedal bin. Okay, so right there, details and text. Our reverse side is clear, and let's open it up and setting that and doing some readjustments of the tabletop so you have everything in nice clear view right there, and pressing down, of course, with my finger, very light and effortless. Just opening and removing that inner bucket, and let's fit this V model trash bag or bin liner in the inner bucket. So nice and neatly it sits so perfectly. And of course I'm doing this in real time, so excuse me if I do not get this 100% correctly or perfectly, but there we have it. Lots of pressing down completely. You can see there's still lots of bin liner left right there, just in case, which makes it easy to tie up, of course, your trash. So let's press down on that foot pedal, and actually I should give you a look inside the bin itself, which I've not done. So right there is the inner workings of this Brabantia newIcon pedal bin. So just like that, very simple and elegant design. And that inner bucket, of course, so handy to keep things nice and clean. So right there, just popping that inner bucket in there, and there we have it, nicely fitted, and you can see that soft close. So very gentle and quiet closure, and of course just once again demonstrating that partial opening and reopening control of the pedal that people seem to want to know about. So right there. Okay, so nice and gentle opening. Can even do it with one finger, and it does so very, very elegantly and smoothly. You can always hold that position in place depending on the foot pedal pressure or position. So that's the Brabantia newIcon pedal bin. Thanks for watching and happy binning!